Alright, good morning guys. We're scraping the barn today. We've had a lot of rain this last weekend into the week, and even snow in April. Yeah, wild stuff, but it's finally started to dry out the last 2 days, and then we got some more rain coming today, and then maybe even tomorrow, Monday. So we'll see how it goes. Would really like to get to the fields and get this manure hauled out before we get some more rain this morning, but we'll see how it goes. But we're scraping the barn, and yeah, get some video of that today. Alright guys, so we're going to be switching cows now. This is the fresh group, 24 cows exactly. Treated ones, fresh ones, ones we need to watch a little more in this group. They're going to get locked up over there just on the feed side. There's a pull across gate, kind of tough to see. And they'll be over there, finish scraping that side. When the cows come out of the parlor, they'll just walk right by me with the skid loader scraping that side. We have to cut the barn in half, so this is the other half of cows that need milked yet. And we'll be pushing them in here after we get the fresh group locked over. Open this gate, let the cows that are still waiting out there in the outside lot, they're gonna go back across to the feed quick. I'll put this green gate across here, and then we'll just bring in the rest of the cows that need milked, put them in the holding area, and then they'll be getting milked, and then I'll finish scraping this side. By that time, all the rest of the gates will just be wide open so the cows can go between the stalls and the feed. All right, so all these girls here are done milking. Man, my GoPro really does not do well in the darkness. Much better. I switched to my phone for this clip just because my GoPro is not picking up in the darkness very good. But all these cows that are standing out here are milked. Just came out of the return lanes. They're gonna go back over to the feed side. I'll shut the return lane doors, open the holding area gates, and then we'll push in some more cows. That cat just went under that cow's legs. That's sketchy stuff, man. That's actually Mama Kitty. She just had some kittens like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. But yeah, she just went under that cow's legs. Dangerous game you're playing there. Oh, Frederick! Frederick's playing a dangerous game. He's on the catwalk over there. Frederick. Man, Frederick's just enjoying the beautiful sunrise. This never gets old. All right, got the cows all chased in, and then we can just continue scraping. I might just do a time lapse, honestly, of me scraping this whole side. It just is going to be, I feel like, pretty cool, but also just faster, so I don't have to keep getting in and out to get some shots, you know. We'll try it, and if it doesn't look good, then maybe you won't see it. But yeah, cows in that time lapse of them coming in, you can definitely tell they really like those salt and mineral blocks. They're like addicted to those things. Well, it just started raining kind of lightly, so let the tractor warm up here for a minute, and then I'm gonna go take this load out. Started raining. Fun begins. You know that reference? It's from Star Wars. I'm a nerd sometimes. Anyway, this field's a little sketchy. We'll see how it goes. See if I can make it today. Yesterday I tried and it was really frosty in the morning, so it was a little slickery. But we're gonna give her a go. This old tractor, and she always gets her done somehow. I'm gonna try to turn up this hill. I tried yesterday and it didn't work. 2,000 RPMs. Alright, drop her down into direct. Here in a little bit. Feeling back up to this, under this thing in my sleep. I ain't gonna lie, it's like second nature. First try every time. Alright, got that all cleaned out. Cow's locked up, and now I've just gotta scrape up the rest of the stuff here in the outside lot, put that in the spreader, and take the load out. So we'll do that now. Alright, dragging everything back away from the wall. Drag it back up, and then just push it into the spreader. Make Cows, we'll usually let them on the south side lot, but if it's gonna rain some more and it's starting to get pretty windy, I'm just gonna let them stay in there. But I'll close this gate here and take that load out. Alright, I think for this load I'll just do a time lapse of it on the spreader. I like that idea. Alright guys, done scraping now. My uncle's almost done mixing, and we're gonna fuel up the 205 here and then park her in the shed, call her a day. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.